Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use and redeem Amazon gift cards properly in 2025. So step 1, go to the Amazon app or website and sign into your account. After that, tap on your account and then your payments and then redeem a gift card. Step 2, scratch the card or check your email for the claim code. The claim code usually starts with AQ or similar words. Step 3. You can enter the code and tap apply to your balance, and the amount will instantly appear in your Amazon balance. Step 4. To use your gift card during checkout, just select the Amazon balance as the default payment method. It is automatically applied, but if not, you can select it. Step 5. You can also reload your gift card balance anytime by going to Payments and then Reload Balance and choosing your funding source. Step 6. To check your balance, you can go to your account again and then go to your gift card balance, where you'll see the past redemption and current funds. And now, you can easily redeem and manage your Amazon gift cards in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.